Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well by the grace of Allah. Once again, welcome you all with new concept. I appreciate your participation. Now let me introduce myself. I am your math teacher Nasreen Fatma. Today we will continue in lecture number 22, the topic time. But we will discuss today the 24 hours clock and the comparison it with 12 hours clock and the conversion of 24 hours clock into 12 hours clock time and 12 hours clock time into 24 hours clock time. Here are some keywords which we use to tell the time. Some keywords are used to tell the time are earlier means before and later means after. If we want to tell the time after or before, we will use the words earlier and later. Write the time which is 35 minutes earlier than 4:15 means we have to tell the time 35 minutes before. What is the time 35 minutes before than 4:15? It means we have to move in the previous hour. So what will be the time? We will subtract the 35 minutes from 4:15, then we will get 3:40. Then 25 minutes later, then 11:55. Now we have to add the minutes because we have to find the time. Later means after. So 25 minutes after 11:55. So what will be the time? 25 minutes after 11:55 is 12:20 p.m. Let's see some more examples. 1/4 hours earlier than 2:15 p.m. 1/4 means quarter and quarter means 15 minutes earlier than 2:15. 1/4 hours means the 15 minutes of an hour. So we have to find the time earlier means 15 minutes before. So what is the time 15 minutes before in 2:15 p.m. is 2 p.m. And half an hour later than 9:27 a.m. means half means 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later than 9:27 is the time 9:57. We will move 30 minutes after. Means we have to add 30 minutes in 27 minutes, then we will get 9:57 a.m. Earlier and later time. What does it mean? Earlier means before and later means after. Now we have to find the time earlier or later or before and after. So what is the time 3 hours after 11:05 p.m. How can we find it? We have to move 3 hours more. So when we add 3 hours in 11, we will get 2:05. Now we have AM. Why we have AM? Because after 12, the AM converted into PM or PM converted into AM. So when we add 3 in 11, then we will get 2 hours. Means 11, 12, 1 and 2. So we move after 12, then the time change into PM to AM. What is the time? 4 hours before 9:20 a.m. Now let's see. When we find the time before, we will subtract 4 hours from 9. Then we will get 5:20 AM. And you can see in this example, we will not jump the 12 hours. So, the AM remains AM. Now, let's compare the 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. In this picture, you can see both the clocks, the 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. In 12 hours clock, we have 1 till 12 hours. What does it mean? It means the 12 hours in a day? No. There are 24 hours in a day. In 12 hours clock, the hour hand move round the clock twice every day. But in 24 hours clock, we can see that how many hours are there? There are 24 hours. It means how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours in a day. But in this clock, the hours show from 1 till 24. For further explanation, now let's see this 24 hours clock. In this clock, you can see that the 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM till 12. Then after 12, in 12 hours clock, we have 1 again, but in 24 hours clock, we have 13. Then 14, it means 2 PM is equal to 14 hours, 3 PM is equals to 15 hours, 4 PM is equals to 16 hours, 5 PM is equals to 17 hours, 6 PM is equal to 18 hours, 7 PM is equal to 19 hours, 8 PM is equals to 20 hours, 9 PM is equal to 21 hours, 10 PM is equal to 22 hours, 11 PM is equal to 23 hours, and 12 midnight is equals to 24 hours. But we write them 0, 0 because after 24, what comes after 24? 25. But there are only 24 hours in a day. So after 24, we will consider 0. Now let's convert the time 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock. When we convert AM into 24 hours clock time, the time will not change. We just replace AM by hours. For example, 4:17 AM is equal to 4:17 hours. The time will not change. Just replace AM to hours, or 4:17 hours is equal to 4:17 AM. If we will convert 24 hours to 12, we will not change the time. We will just replace the AM to hours. Now let's discuss how to convert PM time into 24 hours clock. You should always remember, when we convert PM time into 24 hours clock, we will add 12 hours in PM time. While in 24 hours to PM, we will subtract 12 from 24 hours clock time. For example, 21:45 hours converted into PM time, so we will write 21:45 hours minus 12 is equals to 9:45 PM. Let's take some examples. Now what is the time in 24 hours clock? 9:12 PM converted into 24 hours clock. We all know that when we convert the PM time into 24 hours clock, we will add 12 hours. So we will add 12 hours in 9:12 p.m., then we will get 21:12 hours. In the second example, 2:50 p.m., we have to add 12 hours to get the time in 24 hours clock. So 2:50 p.m. plus 12 hours is equals to 12:50 hours. Let's discuss how to convert the 24 hours clock time into p.m. What is the time in 12 hours clock or p.m.? The example is 19:25 hours converted into p.m. Or how to convert it? As we all know that when we convert the 24 hours time into p.m., we will subtract 12 hours. So we will subtract 12 hours from 9:25 hours, then we will get 19:25 minus 12 hours is equal to 7:25 p.m. And in the next example, 23:30 hours, we have to subtract 12 hours, then we will get 23:30 hours minus 12 hours, then we will get 11:30 p.m. Now let's see these examples. In this table, we will compare the different times in 12 hours clock with 24 hours clock. First, we will have the 12 hours clock time: 12 midnight, 12:05 a.m., 1:15 a.m., 12 noon, and 4:45 p.m. Now we are going to convert these times in with 24 hours clock. First, 12 midnight is equals to 24 hours, or we can write 00 hours. Then 12:05 a.m. means 00. Why we are writing here 00? When we have a.m. time, 12 a.m. it means 24 hours. 12 midnight is 12 a.m. and 12 a.m. is equals to 24 hours. So when we write the 12:05 a.m., so we will write in hours, not 24:05, because 24:05 means we have gone to 25 hours, but only 24 hours are there in a day. So we don't have any 25 hours, so we will write 005 hours. After 12:01, the time will be converted into 24 hours, that will be 00 hours. Otherwise, we will enter in 25 hours, and we don't have 25 hours in a day. So 11, now 1:15 a.m. is equals to 1:15 hours. We discussed it when we convert the AM time into 24 hours clock. We will not change the time, we will just replace AM from hours. Then 12 noon means 12 hours. 12 noon means 12 hours. 4:45 p.m. means 16:45 hours, because when we add 12 in 4, we will get 16, and the minutes are same, the 45 minutes. So 16:45 hours is equals to 4:45 p.m. In our next lecture, inshallah, we will continue the topic time, the conversion of time into seconds, addition and subtraction of time. So let's discuss. Alright, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed and understood the concept of today's and previous lecture's topic. This is the end of the today's lecture. See you inshallah in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Till then, take good care of yourself, and I really appreciate your participation. And remember that Practice makes you perfect. So practice more and more as you can. May Allah bless you all and your family. Allah Hafiz.